Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Chapter number 3, that is linear regression, in which last time we have discussed the method in which first method, practical example, in which x bar and y bar both are integer value. In the second time, we have discussed value of x and y variate are so small in values. And in this lecture, we are going to see UV system, UV method. In our textbook, page number 125, illustration, that is example number 4. Person 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7, their monthly income and monthly expense in thousands of rupees. Income is denoted by variable x, expenditure is denoted by variable y. But income and expense both are given in terms of thousands of rupees, and that is why 30 is mentioned. 60, 70, 64, 68. These are the data example given in the book as per. Obtain the regression line of monthly expense, that is y. Monthly expense, that is y, on monthly income, that is x. Means we have to obtain the regression line of y on x. See, what is required? These are the data. Obtain the regression line of monthly expense on monthly income, and hence we have to estimate, and hence estimate monthly expense for income is rupees 75,000. If x is 75,000, means x is 75, we have to estimate the value of y. Table, calculation of regression coefficients. In this table, x, y, then UV, U means x minus some value, V means y minus some value, then U square, V square and UV. Table are similar of the previous chapter, that is chapter number 2, linear correlation. This type of table. In such type of example, first of all compute x bar and y bar. How to calculate x bar and y bar? X bar is given by sigma x upon n, and y bar is given by sigma y upon n. Sigma x means what? 461. Sigma y means what? 387. N means number of the observation, 7 paired of observation. Means 461 upon 7, x bar is 65.86. Fractional value, decimal point. Y bar 387 upon 7 means 55.29. Also in the fraction. X bar and y bar are respectively 65.86 and 55.29. The nearest integer value here 65 and 55. You may take, here in this table we have subtracted 65 from the series x and 55 from the series y. Not necessarily you have to take 65 55. You may take 6060, you may take 5050 also. Final answer would remain same. Total may be changed, but final answer remains same, unchanged. If you change here, means regression coefficients are independent of change of origin. Here only change of origin, but not of the scale. We have subtracted 65 and we have subtracted 55 from the series x and y respectively. It is known as change of origin. Now subtract 65 from the series x. 60 minus 65, answer is minus 1. 70 minus 65, 5. 64 minus 65, minus 1. 68 minus 65, 3, and so on. Similarly for the series y, subtract the value 55. 50 minus 55, minus 5. 59 minus 55, 4. 57 minus 55, that is 2. 50 minus 55, minus 1. 53 minus 55, minus 2, and so on. Then make u square and v square. Square of this value minus 5 is 25, square of minus 5 is 25. Square of 5 is 25, square of 4 is 16. Square of minus 1 is 1 and square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9 and square of minus 5 is 25. U square, v square. And finally, UV means multiplication of U and V with sign, with signature. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 plus 25. 5 into 4 plus 20. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. 3 multiplied by minus 12 minus 15 and so on. UV. Make the summation, make the total. Be careful about total also. Manually, orally, verbally and by calculator also. You have to make the total. That proceeding means in other procedure, in the next procedure, all correct values are there. After computing this table, after making this table, first of all calculate x bar y bar before making this table. Now compute v and a. Means these are the constants in regression line. What are the standard form of regression equation of y and x? Y cap equal to a plus bx. Here and here constant. This means nothing but dx. V means dx. Regression coefficient of y on x. In the first lecture, very initially, in very beginning, we have seen the different formula for computing dx. That is b n times sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon n times sigma u square minus sigma u whole square. Here maybe cy upon cx, but we have only subtracted the value. Addition and subtraction means change of origin. No need cy upon cx. Cy upon cx is required, but only when if you have divide by some value, common factor, or we have only subtracted in this example, and that is why up to this it's okay. Substitute the value sigma uv. Total of uv 69. 7 times 16 and 7 means n. N means 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number of the item. Sigma u, sigma v. Total of u and total of v respectively 6 and 2. Substitute the value. Sigma u 6, sigma v 2. N times sigma u square. N means 7. Sigma u square means total of u square 118. 7 times 118, 6 whole square. Sigma u whole square. Sigma u 6, that is the 6 whole square. Further simplify. 483. 483 is the multiplication of these two quantities. 7 multiplied by 69. It becomes 483. 7 multiplied by 118 is 26. 6 square 36. 6 to the 12. Final simplification will give you answer as 0.5962. Our answer will be 0.60 approximately. Therefore, A is given by y bar minus b times x bar. Y bar is 55.29, x bar is 65.86 and b is 0.60. B we have calculated here. Therefore, subtraction will give you answer as 15.77. We have to obtain the value of A and value of B. First of all, we obtain B and then A. After completing this, only substitute the value. A is 15.77, this value. B is 0.60, this value. Means y cap equal to 15.77 plus 0.60 times x. This is the regression line of y on x. Now we have to estimate also expense when income is 75,000. As 75,000 means a value of x is given to you. Value of x is 75. Value of x is 75. Substitute x is 75. 16 means 0.60 into 75. It becomes multiplication is 45. And final answer is 45. 15.77. Addition will give you y cap equal to 60.77 thousands of rupees. Therefore, we can conclude that is the income of the person. Income of the person is rupees 75,000. Then estimated expense and monthly expense. Estimated monthly expense is rupees 60.77 thousands of rupees. For income is rupees 75,000. This is the conclusion, interpretation or the answer. See, in exercise 3.2 in our textbook, this type of example may be given. In the final exercise, that is exercise 3, also this type of example given. But in this case, we have only subtracted x minus 65. 65 is subtracted from x. 55 subtracted from y. You may change this value, but final answer of B, final answer of A, final answer of y cap, it remains same, unchanged. Means do not research anything. Calculate properly. Use proper formula. Simplify carefully and then substitute the value, and by simplifying you will get the answer. So in this chapter, chapter number 3, linear regression, practical example, numericals, we proceed further. Now in the next lecture, what we are going to see, that value of x and value of y divisible by some value. For example, value of each value of x is divisible by 5, each value of y divisible by 10, divisible by 100. Then what to do? How to do the example? Nothing. In this formula more, here numerator cy upon denominator cx. Cy upon cx is only the change, nothing else. Means chapter is so easy. These two chapters are connecting chapter. Chapter number 2, linear correlation. Chapter number 3, linear regression. In which up to table, the method remains same. Then finally, formula, Karl-Pearson method, Spearman's method, rank method, and this is the regression coefficient. This chapter is mathematical rather than statistical, because this is linear equation. Y cap equal to a plus bx. Y is dependent, x is independent. Y depends on x, and that is why this line is known as y on x. Y on x means y depends on x. Y cap means estimated value of y. This cap means estimated value of y. Please be practice well and complete your notebooks according to our classwork lecture, our PDF, our textbook exercise, and take care of your health. Thank you everybody. Thank you everyone.